Assalamu alaikum. First of all, how are you doing today? So today I'm going to show you how to remove background from any kind of image by pen tool. So last 3 days ago, I removed background from this image. Did you see this one? Do you see this one? This one also, and this one, and that one. So today I'll show you how to background from this image by pen tool. So first of all, I have to go to Photoshop, and then I will open the image. Let me show you how to open the first of all, I will go to file and then open it, open, and then drag where is my file, desktop. So this is my file. I'll open it on Photoshop. Let me show you. And now I have to go, you have to go pen tool, select the pen tool, click it, click it, go to pen tool, click it, click the right button, and you have to, you'll see there are many kind of tools, the pen tool and free from pen tool, and add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert point tool. So you have to select pen tool. I'll select. So now how to, and the most on kind of things, you have to this image, I will make it zoom. Just press Alt button and your mouse, just you will make it like that. That's enough. So and now you have to select, I will select from here. Like this, slowly. First of all, if you are new, you have to select very slowly. Don't worry, you will be success in your life. And press Alt button and click here, cut this one, select again, same like that. Again press Alt button and click here. And if you mistake, if you want to go back, just Ctrl Z, or if you want to go 2 step or 3 step, just Ctrl Alt Z. You have to practice every day, then you will be success in your mission. Just try to do your best. And if you want to move this image, just press the backspace and click it and make it like this. You can moving easily. Press order and cut it this one. Cut it. That's finish. And now I'll make it zoom out, zoom in, Now I have to press Ctrl Enter and then again Ctrl J. That's set. Your image already moving the background. Now I will change the layer and I'll show you. I'll convert to another color. I'll put in the white. Okay, and if you want to select the color, just press Alt Delete. That's it. So I think there I have something is not cutting properly, so I'll select again and let me show again. And Ctrl Enter and press Delete. And if you want to deselect this one, just press Ctrl D, deselect. That's it. So now your image is free now. See, very easy. Just you have to practice every day. So thank you for watching. If you get any help from this video, just share my video and like, comment. Don't need subscriber, just thank you so much for your valuable time.